Do you find your affiliate marketing plan is not working? Want to learn how to help improve upon it? If you are ready, then you have come to the right place. The tips in this video contain advice on what you can do to create a better affiliate marketing plan. So let's jump right in. High traffic to your website is what affiliate marketing companies look for. The more traffic you can get to visit your page, the more apt people are to click the link and buy the products that you are featuring. To gain more traffic, you have to expose your page to as many people as possible. Recently, there's been a rise in high-ticket affiliate marketing programs which require upfront payments. Be sure to pay attention to the fees, guarantees, costs and length of contract. Many programs include a number of fees for things like setup and transactions. They may also charge you for the creative content such as banners and other ads. Make sure you choose a program you can afford and has a decent number of authentic positive reviews before joining. A great affiliate marketing tip is to not incorporate pop-up windows on your website. People can't stand pop-up windows. If visitors notice that your website contains pop-ups, they'll be driven away at a rate faster than you can imagine. It's best to keep everything on one page. Because it is the interesting and helpful content that brings readers to your site, its content must always be your topmost priority. If you concentrate on the highest quality content, you will enhance the chances that your affiliate marketing will monetize. Lose focus and you will lose readers, and with the readers, the earnings. If you are interested in getting involved in affiliate marketing, it is extremely important that you educate yourself on the subject. Search out all the pertinent information that you can find. Learn the basics of creating custom affiliate links. This is important because sometimes the default link does not always point to the best page in terms of conversions. You may find a web page on the merchant's website that will convert better than the default landing page. In such a case, customizing your affiliate link to point to the better page will be. The more knowledge that you have, the better off you will be. If you want to make as much money as possible at affiliate marketing, you should take the initiative to start up your own website. The benefit of having your own domain, in comparison to writing a blog, is that you are in total control of every aspect of your site. Owning your own site also makes administrative tasks like link building much easier. Do not try to sell anything that is unknown either. Stick with something people know about. You may not want to go with very popular products because of intense competition with established businesses, but it is normally a lot easier to get visitors to buy things in a niche that is known to be a moneymaker than it is to do so in a not-so-popular niche. Popular products will have a larger pool of interested customers, meaning that even taking into account the competition, there will be more sales for you. The key is to determine your optimal marketing approach, which can help to differentiate your business from close rivals. Think of the products you personally buy online as those are likely to be what your audience is interested in as well. If your website is about one of your passions, it's quite possible that the bulk of your audience share that passion, and possibly have a similar lifestyle to yours. Capitalize on that and try selling stuff you're already buying. Keep a photograph of your family above your computer monitor to remind you who you're working so hard on your affiliate marketing strategies for. If you're unmarried, have a photo of your pet there. If you know that your money is going to support loved ones, it will make you work that much harder to earn it. To make the most out of your affiliate marketing campaigns, do not be afraid to invest in advertising such as Google Ads. Google does most of the work for you by placing ads on pages with specific keywords related to your products and driving traffic to your site to increase the number of potential buyers. Sometimes you have to spend a little to make a lot. You should have convinced the person who clicks on your affiliate link to buy the item before they choose to click through to the sales site. It's up to you to discuss the ways the product will benefit the reader, the quality of the product, and what makes the company that is selling it trustworthy. Reward your affiliates with a bonus. This will make them work even harder and more likely to increase your sales. Even better, Give them a surprise bonus. This will excite them and make them do a better job of promoting your products because they will wonder if you will give a surprise bonus again. Affiliate marketing has its ups and downs, therefore, it is imperative that you keep up with the latest business trends. Keeping up with the latest business trends will put you one step ahead of your competition. Failure to do so will result in you wondering why nobody is purchasing what you're marketing. To make the most money with affiliate marketing, be sure that all of your information is being presented clearly. Your main focus is on advertising and content. If you have things that are cluttering up these items, your audience may not get the most out of your site. If something is not making you money, remove it. Set up a focus group. As often as you feel it necessary, ask several customers to join in on a focus group. These groups give you plenty of customer insight, and may bring in great ideas that you had not yet considered. Try doing this at least once a year for the maximum benefits. After watching this video, you ought to be a bit excited to start experimenting and trying new programs and plans. Hopefully, these new things will yield results that work for you. If not, try something else until you are pleased with the results. That's the best part about affiliate marketing, you can experiment with it. To wrap up this video, let me know which tip you liked the most. Leave a comment below the video. I read and also respond to all comments whenever necessary. See you in the next video. Cheers.